What does like a P&L look like on a car wash?
You've got a couple things. One, obviously, there's the tax, there's employee count and chemical cost and things like that. The biggest expense is employees, though. We've been able to negotiate a ton of lucrative chemical contracts. Now that we have 30 locations, we're put in the top 25, top 30 car wash providers in the country. So we've been able to negotiate some per use basis of chemicals. But ultimately, like when we're going into a wash, we see that people are overbuying and under diluting their chemicals. So for instance, we'll come in and we'll see like, hey, they've got it 90% chemical and 10% water, when really they should be running at like a 60-40 ratio. When you spread that out across a portfolio, you're talking about saving millions of dollars.